This is a guide for asking for forgiveness and how to make amends with those you have wronged. You'll gain a deeper understanding of the importance of forgiveness and how to approach the process with humility, honesty, and sincerity. Whether you're seeking forgiveness for a minor mistake or a major transgression, this guide offers practical advice and actionable steps to help you move forward and build stronger, healthier relationships. Asking for forgiveness can be a difficult and uncomfortable experience, but it's also a meaningful and necessary one. Whether it's seeking forgiveness from a loved one, a friend, a colleague, or a stranger, admitting that you've made a mistake and asking for forgiveness can be a humbling and transformative experience. When you ask for forgiveness, you're taking responsibility for your actions and acknowledging the harm that you've caused. This can be a powerful step towards healing and reconciliation. Yet, it's essential to approach the situation with the right mindset and attitude to maximize the chances of a positive outcome. First, it's important to acknowledge the other person's perspective and feelings. Try to put yourself in their shoes and understand how your actions may have affected them. This can help you to approach the situation with empathy and compassion, and to be sincere in your apologies. When you're ready to ask for forgiveness, be clear and direct in your communication. Don't beat around the bush or make excuses. Simply state what you did wrong and why you're sorry. This can help to build trust and create a sense of understanding between you and the other person. It's also essential to listen to the other person's response. They may need time to process their emotions and thoughts, and it's important to be patient and understanding throughout this process. Try to be open to feedback and suggestions, and be willing to work together to find a solution that works for both of you. If the other person decides to forgive you, it's important to take the time to show your gratitude and appreciation. This can include making amends, expressing your gratitude, and continuing to prove that you've learned from your mistakes. If the other person decides not to forgive you, it's important to respect their decision and continue to take responsibility for your actions. While it can be difficult to accept that you've hurt someone and they may not be able to forgive you, it's vital to remember that forgiveness is not always guaranteed. Ultimately, asking for forgiveness requires vulnerability, courage, and a willingness to take responsibility for your actions. It can be a difficult and emotional process, but it's also a key step towards healing and reconciliation. By approaching the situation with empathy, sincerity, and a willingness to learn, you can make the most of this transformative experience and emerge as a better, more compassionate person.
Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.
Thank you.